Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you about how to change station for alignment. We can see the alignment is drawn and the station with the yellow. And so I want to change another station. And in this drawing, when we change station and the symbol line is not modified, so I create a tune, VT tune, and the change station. And if we modify station, we click here and modify station. So I want to change 200 station and modify symbolize station, and I click accept and select alignment, and we can see the alignment property with the start station start to 200, and the symbol line modified by station is value 200. Yeah, and click the second symbol line. We can see the symbol line station with 250.